Yo, what is up, guys? It's Chris YT here, back with another video today. And today we're gonna be working on. I'm making a 150 subscriber special. Well, it's gonna be like 100, but then someone recommended me a video, and if you guys can start recommending videos down in the description below, and I'll read them so that I can see what ideas I need to next. Cause someone finally recommended me an idea. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So today we are gonna be making a type of not like a shop, but it's similar to where in Pet Simulator, so like simulator games, you can buy an area, and we're buying it, basically making it so you can buy different areas. So I made a model. I put a script inside it already with stuff. This script came from um so this script right here, I could script myself, which I came from my other game, that because I have something similar like that in my other game that I'm working on. But this is all this is. Gets the uh, gets the event, remote event, touch, finds the character, or finds the character after they hit that parent. And this is like the shop we're using, so it puts the in-shop value to false, or it sets it, if it's false, it sets it to true, and then it fires the client, which is script.description that costs it, right? Which we're gonna add a new one, which is script.doorname.value. Now there is two parts to this video. One is without the saving, and one is with saving. So the next part will be with saving. So right now we have the script, which this is the cost. It's 1,000. Description for it, and the door name, which is door 1. So that's all we have, and then we have a screen GUI with a local script that isn't scripted yet, and we have a holder that has a exit, buy, and text label, which we're gonna rename this. Okay, so now we gotta go into here because this fires. These are the functions. We have a script that's gonna fire the server to door touch, so we have to make a function in this. So local player equals game dot players player local, and this is gonna be like replicate source, so rep equals game equals service replicated storage. So now that we have replicated storage, we're gonna do rep dot door touch dot I think it's on game dot, I think it's on server, on client event, and replicated storage dot door touch dot on, yeah, it's on client event. So yeah, if we change that to rep dot, yep. So we're gonna do connect function, and so it did the player, right? So we're gonna have 3 variables. We're gonna have this script. We're gonna have the description. We're gonna have the cost, and we're gonna have the door. So all this is gonna do is now we're gonna do script dot parent dot this, or no, script dot parent dot holder dot this dot text equals description, or disk. After that, we're gonna, well, when we do that, also it's also gonna be we're also gonna make it visible, so script dot parent dot holder dot visible equals true. Okay, so it's gonna do that, and then we're gonna do game. Okay, well that's all it needs to do. We're also gonna make a function down here that's going to basically, it's gonna send the function, but we want to change it unless we put the mouse button click in here. So I'm gonna put local y equals, we don't need description, so we're just gonna do local y equals nil, local name equals nil, and then y equals cost, name equals door. Okay. This is how I'm doing it, at least. There could be another way. This is just how I'm doing it. I was looking into other ways to do it. This is just the way I'm doing it. So then we're gonna do rep dot by fire serve, or wait, I just messed this whole up. Okay, script dot parent dot folder dot by mouse button. Well, I want down. Whoops. Connect function. Okay, so when we click on that, it's going to rep dot by fire server, and when we fire the server, we're gonna do y space. So y is the cost and name. Or we're gonna do y name. Okay, so now that we've done this, we're gonna make another function too below this that's gonna do the exit. So we're gonna do script dot parent dot folder dot exit mouse button one click or down connect function. And what this is gonna do is just gonna be script dot parent dot visible equals, or script dot parent dot holder dot visible equals false, and it's gonna do what else are we gonna have to do? So once it equals false, we're gonna do in player dot in shop dot value gonna equal false. I should probably do if player in shop dot value equals true, then we'll just tab all this over. Alright, so then it's gonna buy, and now that we've set all of this up, we're gonna go into the leaderboard, which this is a this came from an Alvin Blocks tutorial, and I rescripted it and I added the thing. This is more for advanced like scripters for data store, because this uses a module. Okay, so under all of this code, we're going to make what buys it. So when we hit buy, so we're gonna do actually script dot, or no, we're gonna do whoops game dot replicate storage dot buy, oh whoops, on server event connect function, and now we're gonna have cost and name, or we're gonna name it door. Okay, now we have that. We're gonna do local cache data store equals, and I think it's like Forgot. Yeah, it's data store 2.cache. Cache data store, yeah. So data store 2 cache player, and we should probably get the player too. Okay, now that we have this, we're gonna do if cost, or if player dot leader stats dot cache dot value is greater than or equal to cost, then we're gonna do cache data store, whoops, increment, I think that's right, wait, let me look it up real quick, let me go over here, because this is where I have the other one, I think it's in, yeah, I spell it right, increment, yeah, okay, and we're gonna do minus cost. Okay, so now that we have that, we're also gonna do player dot shoot. Oh yeah, we gotta save. So we gotta do cache data store save. We're gonna make a save. And then we're going to have the player, so player dot in shop dot value equals false. And once we do that, we're going to destroy the doors. So local I equals game dot doors, or game dot workspace dot doors, and we're going to do door now, I don't know why, I feel like if you do it on the I'm pretty sure if you do it on the server level, then I think that removes it for the whole server actually. So I think we have to do it on a local level, which is simple, because then that just means we gotta kind of like duplicate that and rename like area handler, and then we're gonna do like game.replicate storage.area handler fire client player I, which is the door, or we could just do we could also just do door. So once it's got the name, we're going to go back into our local script and we're gonna do game.replicate storage. Yeah, this is storage dot area handler on client event connect function so we did player, right? But we should be able to see a door, so door local I equals game.workspace dot doors door I destroy. Okay, so I'm gonna have it print point door. And I don't remember if I have saved API on or not. Touch is not a valid number of model. Oh, okay. I see what I did wrong. The script goes in touch part. Okay, so if we... Whoops. I didn't name this right. Okay. In shop is not a valid member of player. What is it called? Oh, it shouldn't be in there. Oops. Leaderboard. Player. I don't know why my leg's all screwed up. Oh, I don't know. I'm not using the right package either. Unlock next area for 1,000. Okay, leader status now about member of player. What? Leaderboard line 38. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Okay. They destroyed the door. You can walk through now. It also works if you buy multiple doors, but we will add the saving in the next video. So there's just a couple things I wanna clear up. I think it saves the data store. We do have API on, so that's great. Let's go to this. We're also gonna have it shut off. So when we get in local script, when we get the area handler, if you buy it, it's gonna be game dot, or no, we're just gonna do script dot parent dot holder dot visible equals false. Okay, so now the holder is false. It's gonna go away, and once you buy it, let's just make the touch part. Let's make it uncan't collidable. So if we move that right there, and you can make multiple ones too. So I could copy this. I could Control D. Control D, move it backwards. You could like put some walls by it. So if you just want to make a simple like wall, just take that. And just move these over. What you can do is I'll give myself like 11,000 money. So I'll give myself 11,000 so we can change this to like, and this would be renamed door 2, so you have that renamed as door 2. And you would go into touch part, and you would go into description, and I would just change this to 10,000 door 2 cost 10,000, and then I would just change the sign, the Surface GUI sign, the text label, put that as 10,000. So yeah, if you do that and you join the game, you got, oops. So you got 1,000 done. You walk over to the 10,000 done. So yeah, guys, that's my video on how to make a an area door buying system. So part 2 will be out with saving, and saving's probably gonna take me just a minute to like over here to fix. I'm gonna work it up, test it out, make sure it works, and then we're gonna script it in the next video. So yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.